nice style. We drive with love.
That's good.
Yeah, I have a problem with it. He's the guy who's got the cord. Send them out.
That is not what I was expecting.
It's a caught air on the highway. Just keep smacking the ground. Look at him! Look at him! It's in a fucking barn, right? You're the one that talks.
Like the GoPro shot.
Yeah, I'm forcing myself to make a video because I've been slacking on videos.
So we.
What I do? We're nice style. We drive with love.
With Josh Murray, the BP4W, God bless. You know what he does? These guys hundreds, it's bad. It's not so much yeah, that's inside, yeah. Walter, thousands of cars.
You can open it up if you want to.
That's all right. Thank you.
You filming?
Nice
Yes.
strap on.
Hi. Hi, YouTube. I don't even. Oh, I need to go.
Yeah.
Good morning.
I hope so. I just wasted a bunch of time if I haven't. I shit you not. That was, hey.
I was like, I'm not hyped anymore.
First car in Need for Speed Underground.
Yeah, every time. Every time. See how crazy this thing is?
I fucks with it.
It's a buggy and it's got air ride. He aired out when he got here. So
What?
It's lifted. Yeah, it's lifted. He takes it off.
Oh, sheesh.
Look at the times he bagged it. This thing was lifted when he got here. Definitely takes it off road. It's got rock sliders on it. For fuck's sake. Bro, I see like the mood lights and then the rods holding the gauges, the piston rods.
Oh my God. What?
And then look at the headline.
That's
like, you know, it's just all sorts of stuff to look at. This thing's gorgeous. It's got so much going on.
yeah, it does.
Oh, that's cool. Right? And then look at the rods holding the gauges below the dash. The piston rods. Oh shit.
You passed us on the highway. You didn't even say hi.
Me?
Yeah, you drove right by us. We were in the two cars.
Today?
Yeah.
No, nigga, that was, like, what
Legit.
time?
I have a
Was that-
video
that
of
was
it.
him,
It
right?
probably wasn't him then.
No, it wasn't me. It had red wheels. I just came from my house washing my car. It had red wheels.
It did have
What
red
time?
wheels. Like,
9?
yeah.
No. No, that's definitely me. I was going home. My house.
Growing for sure. I want a donut.
And this guy bought it.
Jesus.
What the fuck?
What is?
Glazed. I'll stick with glazed first. We'll do right.
I can't wait.
On the shot right.
How's the
Got it.
Oh, hell yeah.
What do you think? It's not bad, right? Oh, Adrian.
I need a cooler car.
You what?
I need a cooler car.
Nah, bro. Just get some wheels and bag your car and it's call it a day.
So what is it, like a built 1.8? It would be a built, I just stopped 1.8 in it now. I want to do a built 1.8.
How's the donut?
So I had to buy, you know, I had to get a Y pipe, which was a back order, and then I'm like, oh,
Hey, Chuck.
Hey YouTube, it's Grubby.
It's grubby. Bruh. Come on. Hey Kyle.
What's up? How are
What's up,
you?
senor? Glad you made it.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Why you sound like you were running? Huh? I said, why you sound like you were running?
I'm always out of breath. I'm large. I'm fat and I have asthma.
yes!
What an assortment of vehicles. That's why I like it. Oh my god. Here, let's switch real quick. I don't wanna hold both and then drop one. I'll drop that one. Look at that. This is fixed, right?
Yeah. And you can't change it.
Look at this guy.
Enjoying my fucking
Diabetes?
little bit. I bet that's the last one of the day. Last one of the day.
You sure? How many was that?
4.
Okay, but you know the limit is 13.
Yeah. No, dude, I know. I know.
I can't get over that,
Dude,
bro.
problems.
The limit is 13.
Yeah.
After 13, you're near
That was 13 alleys too. So
near death experience.
So that's really near-death experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
yeah, it's a good thing the wall stopped me and my face didn't hit
Oh
the
my
pavement.
god.
It's rough, man.
I don't like
Things
it.
look pretty beefy. I like it.
I think one point Sam took his sway bar out and it was like driving on a cloud.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Life isn't fair. No.
Why not?
We would like to do it again. Yeah, we did that one.
Why?
This is bullshit. Why can't I have it?
Because you wanted to buy an RX-7.
No, what's wrong?
Oh yeah, I remember this. We did it.
Pop 2 Advil in the morning, drink the whole 20 gallons of water, you know.
Yeah, it's called desktop. That's kind of what I like. I would get one of those if I was.
Go.
It's a swap too, Suya, I think. What is it? What's in there? What's in there?
Wow. Sheesh.
Nope. Now he's gonna have like no spark and like the guy on idle.
Was that a chaser?
Yeah.
What was the whole point of the cups?
There was no point.
What inspired that? Sam.
Somebody, yeah, Sam put one there, and I said, okay, cool. Now we're just gonna put the rest.
Ah.
Once you do, you'll be like, yes.
You got the GoPro camera.
Yeah, I decided to make motivate myself to make a YouTube video finally.
That's good.
Can I steal you for some portraits?
Me?
Yes.
Sure. Hell yeah.
All right. Let's use the greens.
The greens?
Yeah. Let's try stand right here.
Right here?
Yes. Okay. Space your legs out a little bit. What's your dominant leg?
This one.
This one? Okay. So I want you to maybe lean, tuck your hip to the left. There you go. For your hands, you can bring your right hand up to your belt loop, and then that one in your pocket, just thumb in. Perfect. And then roll your shoulders, just relax. Okay. Your chin up, a little bit lower down. Perfect. Okay. Let's see.
So again, you want to look at that portion.
Ready? Bring that shoulder towards me. Yeah, turn. There you go.
You know, that goes up to the headlight switch. Take that one out.
Give me RBF. Okay. Yeah, on demand is hard. I believe in you. Okay, perfect, perfect. Same face, look that way. Stay just like that. Now look to your right, all the way. Bring your right hand up towards your necklace. There you go. Continue looking that way.
Ooh. Very cool.